G'day folks, so today we're going to take a look at the Mavic Air 2 and its new zoom feature. Now some new interesting tricks have come to light and I can't really take credit for it. It was actually Mikey from Philly Drone Life that pointed this out to me, so shout out to him. These new features got me thinking that we should be able to do those Vertigo effects, the Dolly Zoom effect that you can do with the Mavic 2 zoom. So that's what we're going to try and do today to see if we can replicate it. So let's just jump right in and take a look. So first off, I'm going to get the drone up in the air so we can go over some of these new features. So I'm going to film in 1080 so we have more zoom capability. So we've got it in 1080 now. And of course now we all know that we can click on that button there and we can zoom in. And it does a pretty good job. The trick is basically you can press that button, and as you can see here, I can zoom in and out. I don't know if you can see that on the screen, it's pretty bright. But better yet, you can press the function button and use the dial here on the back, and that will zoom it in and out as well. If you see this. So that's what got me thinking with those new features, we can now do a dolly zoom. So let's just go ahead and try that. Basically, to achieve a dolly zoom, you want to move the drone at a slow rate of speed forward or backwards, and then you're going to zoom the opposite way. So you can see here I've got an apartment building in my frame, and I'm zoomed all the way in. I'm at 4x zoom. And what I'm going to do is fly the drone towards the building, but I'm also going to be zooming out at the same time. And as you can see there, I just enabled that new feature, disable sideways flight. That's one of the other new features that DJI added. That'll help prevent me from going side to side when I'm trying to move forward slowly. Now in this first example here, it didn't turn out too badly. You can see I'm pulling down on the right control stick all the way down. I'm in normal mode. And sometimes it takes a few times, you just have to play around with it to get it to the right speed. So definitely a nice cool new feature of the Mavic Air 2, that zoom capability and now being able to easily do a dolly zoom effect. So I'm really interested to see what DJI brings next. For myself, I hope the next feature that they add is obviously support for the smart controller, but I would like to see them add waypoint missions, kind of like they have for the Mavic 2 Pro. I think that would be really cool. Well folks, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.